Hello guys, in this video I want to show extension called AutoMusic for SillyTavern. So let's just see the settings. As you can see, there is some settings, and basically you actually can't hear the music, I think. And there is also background noise. Yeah, I think you should hear it. It's not really prominent, but anyway. So basically how this is working, it's pretty self-explanatory. It's just automatically generate music when it detects that kind of environment is changing. It's very similar like auto background, but it's just creating the music and the ambient. So basically there is some settings, but first of all, you need to know about how it's actually working. It's just using Swarm UI. I'm using Swarm UI. I recommend you to install also Swarm UI, but theoretically it can work with Comfy UI as well. So I'm using this version right now. It's working currently on this version. I don't really know if it will be working on newest or some recent version, but I just showing that you know what version I'm actually using right now. So basically it's using a step and stable audio. So stable audio is this workflow. It's very fast, very simple. There is I do not think that you have some problems. So you need just perform kind of these steps. You just need to download the model, download some maybe notes, but I don't actually see that there is some special notes, and that's pretty much it. So let's talk about some settings here. Generally there is two sections, actually three, but it's a general settings, so you can generate ambient sound, background, or maybe disable something. You can generate this right when you just start new chat. You can check this option. It's experimental, but sometimes it can maybe create some interesting results. But for me, I prefer to leave this off by default, because you know sometimes it's creating some weird results. So I find that the better results is without this, but maybe I need to test it more. So basically you can just increase, decrease volume, you can mute, you can forcefully generate, stop, or maybe test connection. And this is the lock icon. For example, you can lock maybe ambient or music, and you can just click generate, and it will generate only something that is not lock. There is a gallery, I think. Sorry for bad English, it's not my primary language. So there is a library, and the library is actually there is two types of library. It's a session. It's only what you was generated in kind of your playing session, and there is a library kind of chat library. Okay, you can play this. Obviously, you can download this audio file, or you can just delete this. And there is two categories, as you can see. And there is also this all chats kind of. It's from all your chats, and you can just click this and it will delete all of them. There is also option auto delete tracks on chat removal. It's very useful. For example, you chatting and you just wanna kind of forget about completely this chat, and this is automatically just delete all tracks. There is also option how often you want to analyze the scene, right? Maybe just every message, or maybe not so often. So this is pretty much how often you will receive new music and new ambient. So I think that's pretty much it. Other settings are pretty self-explanatory. There is advanced settings. And by the way, if you already have generated something, you maybe just can lock both of them, right? And you just can play it, like, you know, just like regular media player, right? So that's also, maybe you don't like many audio, but you like maybe someone and something, and you just play it, and that's it. It's, by the way, very similar like this dynamic audio, but it's only kind of playing your audio playlist, but this is actually generating new stuff on the fly. So there is a settings. As you can see, it's pretty much referencing to ComfyUI settings. Mostly you can use maybe some custom workflow for ambient and custom for music, but I do not test it because I do not have any payable API. But theoretically it should work. You just need to paste your JSON and it should work. However, I do not test it. So there is general kind of stuff. It's a model, obviously, so you just need to paste your model into your models folder. It's a default folder, diffusion models in ComfyUI and SwarmUI also. So you just paste these step models, whatever you like, and you just can use it, right? So, but you need to kind of manually paste the name, okay? And you can save presets, obviously, with all these settings. You can change duration, steps, CFG, and so on. So I think that's it, pretty much. There is not so much to demonstrate. We can maybe try to this character maybe go to some other location. Let's just also okay, it's enabled. So let's go to the cave. Looks like we do not go to the cave. No, it's still thinking. Okay. Okay, now I think it's wanna go to the cave, and we should detect the scene is changing. Yeah, as you can see, there is this is ambient. It's very fast, but music on my GPU is have some delay. We also have this kind of strange background changing. It's not a cave, but I think it's something. Okay, and as you can see, this dark forest, something, it's a description, prompt. Oh yeah, it's also kind of twice. Yeah, it's an ambient sound. Okay, and as we can see, there is another kind of music. So we actually receive these two. It's kind of strange, but well, that's how it's generating on a step. And by the way, it actually was disabled first time, so be careful when you disabling this music. So one thing also I do not show actually for a step. For a step you can use this is kind of recent version, it's Excel, or you just can find, I think this is music generation. It's just pretty much they are using the same settings, but I'm using this kind of 1.7 billion, but this one is using 4B, so I'm using just 1.1 smaller one in the workflow. This workflow is kind of hard-coded in extension, so you just need to download all models, place in the diffusion models folder, and also download our wire and these text encoders as in instruction, and the model should work if you just place all this model because and install all necessary custom nodes, and that's it. It's kind of very simple, but it's need to kind of some installation. So that's it pretty much for this extension. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.